Hello YouTubers and plane lovers, here again with another unboxing and review of another airplane. And this time I have a pre-owned airplane, and this is a very special day. I finally got to purchase a Gemini Jets 200 Boeing 787 by American Airlines. So this is a very exciting moment. Let's go ahead and open it. I got this on the mail today. And I bought it off of eBay. And I got this for less than $90, less than $85 actually. This is a huge box. So here's the looks of how the box looks, and this is, like I said before, this is a Boeing 787-8. And of course it's got the picture of the model, and it's an American Airlines Gemini Jets 200. And now we're going to turn the box around, and it just gives you it gives you details about Gemini Jets, which is a pretty nice model company. It's my favorite. Let's see if I can figure this out. There it goes. Here's how the model looks inside of the box. It's a pretty nice model. So now let's take it out of the box. And this, of course, is going to be added to my collection of American Airlines 200, or scale 1 to 200. Here's the stand. It's made out of wood. I really like those stands. Now let me get this model here. The landing gear, it's included. It's not attached on the model, but it's here for me to put it on. So here's the model itself. It's a very nice detail model. I don't even want to put it on the surface here, so I'm just gonna hold it up like this. Here is the landing gear compartment doors, in case you want to put them back, or you don't want to put the landing gear on. Let's see. If you follow my other videos, you'll know that I've been really wanting this model here for a long time now. I just never got it because of the price being a little too expensive for me. And so yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to put this there. There you go. And now we're gonna put the front landing gear on, and it goes like this, I believe, or it's the other way around. Let's see. And there he goes. Okay. So there goes the landing gear. Landing gear is on. Just turn it the other way around. There you go. So there we have it. We have a very, very nice looking airplane, and it rolls real easy. It looks like the front landing gear needs to be maybe glued on, but it does roll real easy and nice. I don't know if you can see, but let me move the camera just a little bit. Yeah, okay. As you can see, the engines spin. It's a very, very nice model. It's got the cruising lights, it's got the landing lights, it's got a lot of details that I like. It's got the antenna. I heard that this thing on top is for the Wi-Fi, but I'm not sure. The cockpit looks real nice. I mean, it's a very, very realistic model. Even the livery looks very realistic. And we also have a registration number here, which is November 800 Alpha November, which is very, very nice. You can see the antennas here on top. Look at the stabilizers. Very, very detailed. The back of the plane. It's very nice and very detailed. Look at those details. I mean, they're very, very realistic. You have your landing gear. The back of the engine looks also very realistic. And we're gonna go over on top of the wings. Very nice. The only issue that I saw on the photos when I was purchasing it was this right here, the painting. It's got some peeling off, but other than that, the model looks very, very nice. The antenna here. There's the landing light. Looks very realistic. The engine. General Electric, if I'm not mistaken. The front of the plane. Look at that spiral marking on the engine. Very nice. The details on the engines are very cool. You have windshield wipers. You have some pitot tubes on there as well. You have your red cruising light right there, as you can see. And we also have a green cruising light right there also. So the other side of the airplane looks exactly just like the other side, or one and another side. So this is a very, very cool airplane, very, very cool model. I'm so excited that I finally got it. I'm trying to lift it, but I don't want to drop it and break it already. So you have the Gemini Jets logo on the belly of the plane. As you can see, it's a very, very nice, very realistic model. So I am very glad that I was able to purchase it for under $85. It's not bad at all. I really wish it would have been the Boeing 787-9, which is the same airplane but the longer version. So this is now going to be part of my American Airlines collection. So there you guys have it. Comment, subscribe, ask any questions that you guys might have. I really recommend it. It's a very, very nice model. It's heavy. It's probably around 2 pounds, the plane itself. 2 to 3 pounds easily. So there you guys have it. American Airlines Boeing 787-8 by Gemini Jets 200.